Hi, everyone. Today is the first International Day of Clean Energy. It's January 26th, 2024, and this day was declared last year in celebration of IRENA's founding day. IRENA is the International Renewable Energy Agency, and they were founded on January 26th, 15 years ago this year. And so this year coincides with the first anniversary of the declaration of the International Day of Clean Energy. So on this very first International Clean Energy Day, it is so important to recognize that clean energy is really clean energy for all. And energy lies at that core of a double challenge, leaving no one behind and protecting the planet. So in a world grappling with climate change, clean energy plays a vital role in reducing emissions and can also benefit communities lacking access to renewable power sources. Still today, 675 million people live in the dark. 4 out of 5 are in sub-Saharan Africa. We still have a massive issue in social just energy access, as well as the ability to have quality of life and have energy accessibility to it. So this connection between clean energy, socioeconomic development, and environmental sustainability is crucial to addressing the issues faced by vulnerable communities worldwide. So for populations without clean access, the lack of reliable power hinders education, healthcare, and economic opportunities. And many of these developing regions still rely heavily on polluting fossil fuels for their daily life, which just perpetuates poverty. If current trends continue today, by 2030, 1 of 4 people will still use unsafe, unhealthy, and inefficient cooking systems, such as burning wood or dung. The consequences of these hazardous chemicals that are released in this process leads to cancers and other massive health issues. It's just not right. It's just not fair. So we can do better. And at the same time, improving energy efficiency is key. Using less energy for the same output through more efficient technologies in the transport, building, lighting, and appliances sectors, for instance, will save money, cut down on carbon pollution, and help ensure universal access to sustainable energy for all. Now, sustainable energy is not enough. We know it needs to be reciprocal, and that means coming into alignment with what we are in our space and time, doing what we're doing with our energy here, but also being able to give back for everything we take. Reciprocity is at the very essence and core of sustainability. Without it, you can't have sustainability. And so as we move forward this year, I hope that you may take this message forward with you. And as we move forward in celebrating this first International Day of Clean Energy, let us remember that the land that we're on gives us our life. And in that act of reciprocity, we give back to it. Let's think how we're doing that. How can our systems be more regenerative? How can we contribute to the sustainability of our own little footprint? And we can hopefully do better, ensuring that clean energy and our neighbors, our friends, our communities at large have access to clean energy, to safe places, to fresh air. We need to all take part in this voice for the resources that don't have a voice for themselves. Resources have agency, just as we have agency over our bodies and our place. And although trees and rivers and streams may not have a voice for themselves, we need to be their voice. We need to be stewards of the land. We need to be careholders of the space that we are on. And so on this day, this first anniversary of Clean Energy Day, I hope that you can take this message with you and consider what reciprocity means in your place, in the place of moving sustainable development forward, and also in how we can all come together to do our part to make clean energy accessible for all. Thanks so much. I'm Dr. Andrea Kraj of Core Renewable Energy. Happy Clean Energy Day.